If you're rocking DJI's latest and first ever modular action camera, the Action 2, chances are you'll want to protect that non-replaceable glass covering the lens, while at the same time increase image quality by adding filters. And if that's the case, then Freewell have you covered with a variety of filter solutions. Freewell are no new players when it comes to camera filters, and we've taken a look at several examples in the past, and now we have that same high quality for DJI's newest modular solution, the Action 2. And there are several solutions too, depending upon your shooting scenario. Packaged within a handy hard-shell carry case, the standard Day 4 pack contains 3 levels of neutral density filters, so ND8, 16 and 32, which all help to keep your shutter speed down for cloudy through to sunny daylight conditions. With an aircraft-grade super lightweight CNC aluminum construction frame, on the rear we find 2 magnets which help it attach directly to the front of the DJI Action 2 lens. And they hold quite well too. Throughout normal usage, these shouldn't come loose, although do note that if the camera is knocked at all, the filter could fall off quite easily, as well as during heavy vibration, so some care does need to be taken during use in such scenarios. Nevertheless, these are constructed to precision. The fit and finish is otherwise really nice, with precise holes for the camera's status LED light to shine through, as well as for microphone access too. Within the package is also a circular polarizer filter, so if you find you don't need to add any neutral density, but want to reduce reflections and glare from naturally reflective surfaces, such as windows or water for instance, then this filter has you covered, with a rotatable dial to adjust the level of polarity required for your perfect shot. So, all in all, individually they work really well. Although if you want to mix the neutral density with the polarizer into one single filter, then the Freewell Bright Day pack is what you'll need. In essence, we have the same high quality here, with the same magnetic attachment system, although each of these filters, ranging from ND8 through to ND64, have the circular polarizer built right in too for the best of both worlds, and it works really well. Of course, if you do not need the entire kit, all filters are available individually too, although you will find you'll save a little bit more money by purchasing the kit. But we even have a basic UV filter too, very useful for general lens protection if anything else, as well as an ND1000 filter, which allows the ability to create some really artistic shots from something that's small and light enough to fit into your smallest of pockets. All the filters are made out of 16 layers of multi-coated optical glass that are scratch resistant, dust proof and oil proof. They even come with a lifetime warranty, although you'll likely not need it thanks to the aircraft grade super lightweight CNC aluminum construction. The fit and finish is superb, although you'll want to keep an eye on their use every now and then to ensure you don't lose a filter to extreme vibration or from something brushing past and knocking it off. Otherwise, it's yet another solid solution from Freewell.